Okay, let's look at how to do a fission and a fusion problem. So the first one is a fission problem. So fission is when you have a bigger atom that splits in two. All right, so the first thing that has to happen though is with something like uranium 237. So you would want to write the symbol like uranium is number 92 and it's 237. And so what's going to happen to make it split in two, first it gets bombarded with a neutron. So you show it getting struck by a neutron. And what that does is that turns it into uranium still because 92 plus 0 is 92, but it changes it into uranium 238. Okay, then 238 is going to undergo fission, and it's going to split into three parts. Okay, one of the daughter cells, it's telling us, is cesium, and you would need to look up cesium's atomic number, and it's number 55. So you would write 55 here, and it's cesium-133. Okay, it's also going to release three neutrons, so three neutrons. And now your task is to figure out the bottom number. Okay, well, anyway, if you take to figure out the bottom number, if you take 92, which is the original uranium-38, and you subtract 55, all right, you're going to get 37. And now we didn't subtract any from the neutrons because 3 times 0 is 0. But that ends up, or not, no, we don't have to worry about the neutrons because there's no number there. But anyway, so number 37 is going to be the new atomic number. And if you look on the periodic table, that happens to be rubidium. And then you got to do the top number to figure out the top number for uridium, or the mass number is what it's called. Is you're going to take 238 and you're going to subtract the top number from the cesium plus the top number from three neutrons. And so if you subtract all those top numbers, you're going to get 102. So you end up getting rubidium 102. Okay, that's fission. But basically, all these top numbers right here, here, and here have to add together to make that top number right there. And the bottom number, 55 and 37, they have to add together to make the bottom number right there. Okay, let's do fusion. So fusion is when we have nitrogen 14. Okay, so nitrogen's atomic number 7. The dash means the mass number. Okay, plus carbon 13. Carbon is 6 and atomic number 6, and it's 13 up there. Well, if those two go together, you just add together the bottom numbers because fusion is pretty easy. Add together the bottom number. That's 13. Element 13 is aluminum. Add together the top numbers. 14 plus 13 is 27. And that's all there is to doing fusion. Make sure the bottom numbers added together equal the new bottom number. Then you can figure out the identity of the element, and the top numbers added together will equal the mass number of the new element. That's it.